channel. And I am Jessica Colijn, and my channel is also called Jessica Colijn. Today is day 1 of the 30 days content challenge I am doing. And in this challenge I tell you my journey as an affiliate marketer. Now, as a lot of people of you already know, I am from the Netherlands, so my English isn't very good. It's good enough, but it's not as good as somebody who's from the United States. It's something I want to tell you, because that was one of my biggest struggle when I started as an affiliate marketer. In 2020, during the first Corona pandemic lockdown, I was losing my whole income. And because I am a shop owner and I was forced to close my store during the lockdown. So I didn't have any money anymore. Now, there's 2 things I can do. I can sit down and feel sorry for myself, but that was something I didn't do. I forced myself to go on the internet and look for a way to make money and pay the rent, the mortgage, and my energy bills, because it has to be paid. And I found a family, and this family make money with affiliate marketing, and they live from it. So I was following them on YouTube and Facebook, and I sent them a message to ask how they do it, and better, how I can do the same. So they told me how to do it, and they told me which programs I have to buy. So I did that, and I started my journey as an affiliate marketer in 2020. But it wasn't easy in the beginning. Like I told you before, I'm not from the United States, so English is not my native language. So I have some problems with the English language. But I forced myself to overcome that problem. So that's the reason I started as an affiliate marketer. After 3 weeks, I decided to take some extra coaching because it wasn't easy, and I didn't make sales yet. So I took some extra coaching, and after I took extra coaching, after 3 weeks, I made my first sale. Yeah! And I celebrated like my birthday, because it was so important for me to make that first sale. And that first sale I made after 3 weeks of a coaching program totally changed my life. It gives me the energy to go on. And consistency is the key. If you are an affiliate marketer, you have to be consistent, because you don't make sales every day, you don't make sales every month, and you have good months, you have bad months, you have good days, you have bad days, but it has all to be with your own mindset. You have to do it. And if you don't do it, and if you don't take the energy to do it, it's not going to happen. You have to make the YouTube movies, you have to do the Facebook, you have to do your own face on your pages, because people buy from people, and people know, like, and trust you. And when people know, like, and trust you and see you like an authority, they are gonna buy from you. So that's so important to do that. And the same is with sending emails. I think email sending very difficult because I am dyslexic. And I have to do it in English. That was not for me. But I did it. I overcome all the struggles I told you now. So this is my 30 days content challenge about my journey as an affiliate marketer. Subscribe to my channel, give me a thumb up, and leave a nice message in the comments to say you have to do it. I want to do it. I'm gonna do the 30 days. This is day 1. See you tomorrow with day 2 of the 30 days content YouTube challenge about my journey and about how my journey can help you. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye!